Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to install Solar as a Windows service using NSSM. So let's start. As we know that Solar is a search engine where we can index our documents and which can be used to implement the enterprise search. So let's see how to install Solar as a Windows service using NSSM. So to install Solar as a Windows service using NSSM, you need three softwares. First, we need to install a JDK, Java Development Kit. Then we need NSSM, which is a service manager. And then we need the Solar setup. So these three softwares we will require to install Solar as a Windows service. In the interest of time, I have already downloaded these softwares. So you can download these softwares from their official website. So if you want to download the JDK, then go to the Google search. Then search for JDK download. So click on their official website. So if you scroll down here is the version Java 17. So if you click on the Windows tab, here you can see the x64 installer, which is for 64-bit Windows operating system. So you can download your setup from here. Similarly, you need to download the NSSM. So search for NSSM download, then click on the first link, download NSSM. So here you can see the download option. And here is the latest version of NSSM, which is 2.24. So if you click on this link, the download will be automatically started. Similarly, we need to download a Solar setup. So search for the Solar, then click on the first link, downloads Apache Solar. So here you can see the latest version of Solar is 8.9.0. You need to download a binary releases. So to download this zip file, you need to click on this link. So once you click on this link, the download will be started. So in this way, download this software and then you need to extract these zip files. Now you need to store these files or save this file on a particular location. And here you can see these three setups. Then first of all, we will install a JDK. So to install JDK, select this executable file, right click on it, click on run as administrator, click on the next. Here is the location, then click on next. Now wait for some time so that JDK will be installed on your Windows system. And here you can see the JDK is successfully installed on a Windows computer. Then click on close. So here you can verify the installation, go to C drive, then go to the program files. Here you can see the Java folder. And here you can see the JDK 16.2 version. Now copy this file path. After installation of JDK, we need to set Java_home environment variable path. So go to the start menu, search for environment variable, click on the edit system environment variables, then click on environment variables. Here you can see the system variables. So click on new option, type the variable name as a Java_home. Now paste the path that we have copied, then click on OK. Click on OK here. So in this way, we have added environment variable called as Java_home. So let's verify the installation of JDK. So to verify the installation of JDK, go to the start menu, search for CMD, open CMD as administrator mode, then type Java-version, press enter, and here you can see the JDK is properly installed on our system. Minimize this CMD window. Now go to the folder where we have stored another softwares. So go to this folder where we have already saved our files or other softwares. Now here you can see NSSM folder. So open the folder, go to the Windows 64. Now copy this path. Now open your command prompt. So type the command cd. Now paste the path, press enter. Now we are on this path of NSSM. Now to install Solar as a Windows service using NSSM, type the command NSSM install and name of the service. Now in my case, I am giving the Solar service name as Solar service. So here we have typed the command nssm install and name of the service. Press enter. Here you can see there will be some pop-up will be open. nssm service installer. So here is the first option, path. So click on the option path. Now go to the path where we have stored or save our solar folder. So go to the solar folder. So here is the solar folder. Go to inside the folder, then go to the bin folder, and here you can see solar.cmd file. Select the file, click on open. Once you select the solar.cmd file, the startup directory option will be automatically appear. Now in the argument section, type the command as start space -f space -p and then port number. Solar usually runs on the port 8983. So we have used the argument start -f -p 8983. Then click on install service. And here you can see the message service solar service installed successfully. So same message you can see on your command prompt. Service solar service installed successfully. So in this way we have installed solar as a Windows service using nssm. Now let's verify the installation. So first of all we need to start the service. So go to the services, open the run command and type services.msc. Click on OK. Now in the services search for the solar service that we have installed. Here you can see solar service, right click on it, start the service, and here you can see solar service is started. Now go to the browser. So once you open the browser, then type the command localhost :8983-solar. So once you press enter, here you can see our solar is open. So here you can see we have installed solar as a Windows service using nssm. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.